So if you take the sweep and set it to line, it performs the exact same as a CRT would if you just took the horizontal deflection out of the circuit and fed audio into it through an amplifier. This is exactly the same result you'd get. You're looking at a 1 Hz square wave at with X and Y being controlled from yeah, the sweep's not running. See, if we run her on sweep, it'd look like that. Put it on sine. Sawtooth. Oh wow, looks like we're drawing a little triangle there. Turn the frequency up. I'm using myself to generate a sine wave through electrical feedback, and then we got our triangle wave here, and it's at a double frequency, so we get that. Now it gets less cool if I go off, because it just becomes a blur. Yeah, because we're at 120 Hertz. Let's go down to 60, so we can lock again. Oh wow, I have that perfectly going inside the grid. Which if I get on the dot, it will stop. Or we just want to get close. Make a circle, make a squave. That's a squave now. Yeah. Yeah. What happens if we go down to 30, huh? Looks like a tired Nintendo 64 logo. Alright, let me think. What's triple, huh? I don't know. I'm tired and I need to go to bed, but oh, I think we got close to whatever that was. No, that looks like that's double there, right? Woo. Analog electronics are fun. Ooh, well, it looks like Homer Simpson's hair by his ear. That's crazy how the tubes are really bright when you first give them power. Makes sense, they're loads, blah, blah, blah. Also, it looks like the only thing that's been changed from what I can see is that tube, and if the tubes are changed into the seal, I don't know, but... No, I mean, look at that. We got these old metal cans here. We got these fucking paper caps. I don't think I've ever seen paper caps working before. And this shield doesn't look like it was put on very well. I guess means this is electrostatic deflection still. Oh, this thing is so cool! Oh, that's neat. That's how that works? Wow. I guess I should have thought it was a system that... I thought it would have been something integrated into the Switch. That's actually really cool. Very cool. What do we got? Some like... Is this... Is that covered in wax that melted? Where'd the wax come from? That doesn't look like a kind of capacitor you'd see covered in wax. Maybe they were back then, but it looks like an orange drop to me. Boy, this chair is creaky. I need to get some contact cleaner and freshen up these controls before I put it back together. And that does that drives me nuts. I might deal with this. Yeah, I think if I unloose the neck, I should be able to pull this stuff back and fix that. Alright, I got that really straight now. The tube was a little crooked before. And I fixed our little problem here. Now the shield goes all the way to the end. And also, either those capacitors on the filter side are actually starting to go, or there's some kind of interference. I think I just heard Penny. Now you can see where someone actually dripped solder from a higher point. I need to find my contact cleaner, but I don't know where it's at, and I'm very tired. Well, that's probably AC ripple, because with the video gain all the way up, all the way down, only makes a very minor change to how much is shown.